everyone, Sheree here. Today I am going to create a traveller's notebook spread using a digital kit from Kelly Bangs Creative. This one's called In My Kitchen and you can find this one at sweetshopdesigns.com. So it is a digital kit, so what I've done is gone through and selected quite a few of my favourite little images from the kit, and there are so many to choose from. There's cute little bowls, there's a little recipe book here, some flowers, milk, there's a spatula, cupcake, there's a few words as well, like this one that says bake. There's a cute little crochet doily trim. I've actually cut a piece off of this one. It was, you know, a bit longer than that, but I think I'm just going to use 3 of those little scalloped pieces. And I've also printed out some of the papers from the kit. Now the papers are 12 by 12. What I do is open it up into Photoshop and resize it so that I can print it out onto my normal sized paper. So I think I usually resize it to around 8 by 8 inches, and that way I can print them out ready to use. So being that size, I can then just cut down, I've chosen this pale pink with a polka dot, so I've just cut that down to around 4 by 8, and the leftover that was over on one of the sides, I've actually cut that just to be able to mat my photo so that I'm bringing that paper across onto this first page. So it's going to be roughly like that, and I've already gone ahead and printed out my journaling just onto some plain white cardstock there, so that's going to go onto this page. So I've already selected, I think I'll be using these little pieces here on this spread, but as you can see there are so many cute images to use, and there's even more than this actually in the kit. I only printed out some of them. So what's beautiful about digital kits is you can print out as many things as you like and you can resize them to suit your project. So I've got everything organized here, so I think I'll go ahead and show you what I've got planned for this spread today. Alright, so I'm going to back that photo with that piece of pattern paper first. I already had some double-sided tape on the back of that, and I'm going to position it roughly in the center. It's just a little bit higher than centered onto that page, and I'm going to do the same with that journaling piece, just putting this pages side by side so that I can make sure it's fairly level. And now I'm going to add some stitching with my sewing machine. There you go, I've stitched a border around the journaling and some messy stitching up in that top left hand corner of the photo. So the rest of this page comes together really quickly now. I've got double-sided tape on the back of all these pieces. So I've got the Baker Extraordinaire as the title, which is above the photo. I'm adding this flower and the sugar canisters to that bottom left of the photo. And then I've got that crochet trim that I'm going to put along underneath the photo there. And then there's one more piece going on here, and it's these cute little measuring spoons. So just deciding which way to put those, and that first page is already completed. Now for this second page, I've got the Love This label going at the very top of the journaling piece there. I've got those really cute bowls and that whisk I'm going to put along the bottom, and then all I need to do is add the date and this spread is done. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing how quickly this one's come together. It's so easy with all these digital pieces printed and cut out. Let me know if you've got any questions. I'll pop some links down below to Sweet Shop Designs where you can find this kit and lots of other Kelly Bangs creative kits as well. I'll leave you with some close-up photos at the end, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.